How to add or remove type to Siri widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in here, tap on the add button. Swipe down, then tap on add. Next, we go down and then tap on add a control. Next, in here, we scroll down. And then in here, we're going to go to the Siri section and tap on type to Siri. And that will get added to your control center. Now, if you want to remove it from the control center, just make sure that you are in an edit mode. So tap on the add button from the control center. Then once you are in the edit mode, tap on the remove button, and that will be removed from the control center. So here I will go back in and add it back into the control center. Then swipe up to save the changes. And when you want to quickly type to Siri, you can simply pull down the control center, then tap on the type to Siri, and then say, "Hello, Siri." So instead of talking, you can type to Siri. So here I will swipe down, and then I will type to Siri. So I'll close it, something goes wrong. Let me open again. And that's it. That is how you can add the type to Siri widget in the control center. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.